everybody. Well, today I'm gonna chop and section this roof to fit onto that roadster that they tried to make a roadster. It would have worked if it didn't have this. But okay, let's get cracking. First things first, I got the center of this and I worked from the window out because I want to lower the roof on the sides. Where it's got a rounding, it's a bit harder than a center that will pull or distort when you weld it up. Okay, let me start chopping. Notice I always grind first before I chop, just to mark it before I cut it, to guide my blade. Mark the other side. Cutting it through. When we're done there, I want to get this window section out as well, because this also has to move to a certain point, but we'll get to that. At first, because tech doesn't like rust. Got this image in my head with this round back section, this that I want. Also inside of the roof with frame still. Okay, hopefully we don't do too bad. Let's see. this doesn't fall my toes. Now, I guess we'll probably deal with the rods inside for the hood lining and go from there. You can flip this whole story over. Okay, the rod sorted itself out. Now, let me just go put this on the vehicle a bit, just to see something. I know this is going to have to come out. I'm going to have to section it. I'm going to have to take this out. And then we'll shorten it up there. And after more, I can take this whole section. And it's going to curve, one like that. Yeah. Take my plate and mark the line. Let's see where is my foot. Okay, so basically I'm just marking. I want to cut this out, as this is not going to work on that car in this position or configuration. Same on this side, and we'll take us from there. It's actually quite an easy setup, as this car doesn't have back windows, as it's a free window. We'll pay another car window at least. So over here we don't have to be perfect. This needs to match and that needs to match for now. I'll probably go with the bigger window. Let's see how it goes. Let me just do this side as well, and then we'll chop it through on the inside as well. but makes that later a little bit better. Chop this one. So. Okay, now that I've got this tagged on here, my next steps would be to form this according to the roof line and tag it in, and to cut this and tag it in next to this roof line. But there basically you've got the basic figure of how it's going to be. Not too shabby if I must say, and I've got it round and straight, not a sharp corner. Okay, let's get cracking. See, just going to trim it up to a gauge. I'll use the edge as a guide. Gives me enough meat to weld to get it perfect on there. Now it's just pulling and tagging and pulling and bending and tagging to get it to where I want it. This is on. The fun bit will be to match the other one to this. The homemade frame inside, which is nothing consistent. Okay, now we can start shaping this front contour. basically tagged in place. Like you can see, we've got the contour up to there. This, it's actually been cut off. I'll probably blend this in a small bit, or I'll cut it off as well, depending. And this is how I did the one side. Like you can see, it's following the body curve perfectly. And basically inch before you get too much heat and start pulling grooves and dents in it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, everyone.